Let's be real. Your email address is often the first impression you make. Sending an important proposal from superstar92@hotmail.com or your name and surname at gmail.com can instantly hurt your credibility. It doesn't matter how great your offer is. A non-professional email makes you look like an amateur, or worse, a scammer. But what if I told you that getting a clean custom email like hello@yourbrand.com is not only affordable, but can be set up in just a few minutes? In this video, I'm walking you through the entire process using Hostinger. I'll show you how to create the address, set up a sleek signature, and manage it from your personal Gmail. Personal Gmail versus professional email. Before we jump in, let's talk about why this matters so much. It's more than just looks. Firstly, a custom email ties directly to your domain, proving you own a real business or brand. Secondly, every email you send reinforces your brand name, making you more memorable. Thirdly, when you pay for an affordable service like Hostinger, you're a customer, not just a product. You get better inbox security, fewer spam filters blocking your emails, and reliable support. Lastly, let's face it, all the good Gmail handles are gone. With your own domain, you get the exact address you want. To create a business email, you need two things: a domain name and an email hosting service. Hostinger bundles these perfectly. I recommend starting with their premium business email deal. It includes a free domain for the first year, professional email accounts, and many more, all for a very low cost. Pro tip: Hostinger's intro deals are great, but renewal rates can be higher just like with any other service. Often, it's smarter to lock in a long-term plan up front. Or if you get any of their affordable web hosting service plan, you will get a free business email with many capabilities for 1 year. I've left a special discount link in the description to get you the best prices for both web hosting and the premium business email deal. Check that before you sign up or renew. Step 1. Creating your email account. Once you have your Hostinger plan and domain, log into your H-panel. Look for the email section. Click Setup, or go directly to the Accounts tab. Here, you'll click Create Account. Now, choose your email prefix. This is the part before the @ symbol. Hello, contact info, and your name are all great options. Then, create a strong, unique password. Click Create, and that's it. Your professional email address is now live. I told you it was easy. As you can see, the Hostinger business deal is excellent. You can easily use your custom domain name with Apple Mail, Outlook, Thunderbird, and Gmail. In this video, I will show you how to use your business email address with your current Gmail account. This will save you time in the long run, since you won't have to check messages in each of your accounts. Select Login to access your Hostinger email account dashboard. Log in using the details you created for your custom domain email account. The new Hostinger webmail dashboard is user-friendly. Select the gear icon to go to your settings and choose All Settings. This area allows you to set up the branding for your email account. In the email signature section, you can add all the information that would appear on your business card, such as your name, title, company name, phone number, website address, logo, and social media accounts if you want. You can also create email aliases, which are alternative names for your primary email address. These allow multiple emails to be received by the same inbox. For example, info@company.com and contact@company.com can be aliases for the same email account. In the AI personalization section, you can give guidelines to AI so it can help you write emails related to your account. The Contact section shows a list of emails you contact, and you can save important emails for your business. Like other email apps, the Hostinger webmail platform allows you to filter. You can also perform basic and advanced setups in the business email section of your H-panel dashboard, where you will find many more features. For instance, The email log section provides information about where your email is logged in, along with the IP addresses, which is essential for your business's cybersecurity. To forward emails to your preferred Gmail address, return to the Business Email section in H panel and select Forwarders. Click Create a Forwarder. Enter your Gmail address here and check the option to save copies of forwarded emails if you want. Click Create, and you will immediately receive the message in your Gmail account, which you should check in another tab of your browser. Open the email and confirm to activate email forwarding to your Gmail address. Now, let's move on to the next setup to start using your professional domain email directly inside Gmail. First, open your Gmail settings, gear icon. Select See All Settings. Then go to the Accounts and Import tab. Locate the section that says Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add an Email Account. A pop-up will appear. Enter your new hosting or email. Click Next. Click Next. For the username, add your custom domain email. Enter the password you use to log in to hosting or webmail. For the POP settings, use port 995. Server, pop, hostinger.com. Check SSL and leave a copy on server. When you're done, click Add Account to save the settings. Congratulations! All email messages that come to your hosting or webmail will also be received in your Gmail account. Now, we will move to the next step if you want to send and receive emails through your Gmail account. You can choose yes or no based on your preference. If you select yes, click Next. Enter the name of your company or an alias. This is the name that will appear when people receive your email messages. It's up to you to enter your name or company name. Next, for the SMTP settings, use username, your full domain professional email. Password, your hosting or webmail password. SMTP server, smtp.hostinger.com. Port 465. For a secured connection, select SSL. Then add the account. Gmail will send a verification code to your Hostinger inbox. I have accessed my Hostinger webmail using both the old and new dashboards. They are mostly the same to avoid confusion. Open the email message from Gmail. Confirm and you're done. Congratulations! You can now send and receive emails from your professional address, all within Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You will also enjoy our tutorials on email marketing and sales funnels. Check the description section for free and premium tools for your success. Thank you.